So now it's time to pick up your Clover Pompom maker. Very important to tie your yarn around it. You open one side and really put a lot of tension to make a nice hard pom-pom. Full pom-pom, not hard, full. So turn around like this till it's enough. It's almost like a line, not a curve anymore. So I will do the same thing on the other side. I open it and start it. I double my yarn for this one. So now put that away. Take your sharp scissors and cut it. There, don't open it. Just cut it for now. Because sometimes people open it there, it's a mess. You have to attach it first. I know, I did that already. So I will go with double yarn. Go tight and do a knot. And another one. And then you go on the other side. And attach it tight. When it is, you open the side and the other side, and you pull each side and shake it to remove the little piece, and voila, ready to make the other one. Sometimes you have to do like little shaping, but